I can't decide if this image is disgusting or really cool. So first things first, we're gonna open up an image by pressing photo in the top right hand corner. Go ahead and navigate through your image library until you find a picture of a cow licking you and your little sister licking the cow because she always has your back. But moving on, the next thing we're gonna do is turn on our animation assist. So go to canvas and then turn on this little toggle. A new animation bar will pop up at the bottom of the screen, and it's very important that you set your image to background. It's pretty self-explanatory, but that means that this image will stay on the background of all of the animations we draw. To start an animation, first you have to add a frame. And I just want to point out that you can add a frame in the animation bar, or you can add new layers and it will add into your animation bar as well. So I'm going to go ahead and start drawing the animation of my very first frame. I'm going to start this cow drool off really short, and it's going to get a little out of hand by the end of this animation. Once you're happy with your first frame, of course, we're going to go ahead and add another frame. You'll notice that when you add another frame, you can still see the previous frame showing underneath. This is called the onion skin. You can change the opacity of the onion skin in your settings. So I'm just going to turn mine down a little bit so it's easier for me to see my second frame. Next, I'm going to start drawing the second frame of my animation. And as you can see, I'm kind of using the onion skin as a guide, making each drool mark a little longer than the one previous. Now it's time to add frame number 3. And as you can see, it's starting to get a little confusing because you can see not just one onion skin, but 2. I don't like seeing 2 onion skins, so I just went into my settings and changed my onion skin frames to just 1. Now as you can see, I'm just going in and drawing the third frame of my animation, making the drool longer and even adding in a few drips this time. When you have a few frames done, you can go down to the animation panel and just kind of toggle through your animation to see how it's looking so far. My animation's coming together slowly but surely, but I know I need to add a few more frames. So I'm just gonna quickly do like a little speed drawing, and I think I'm gonna add in like 3 or 4 more frames. Alright, I'm finished drawing in all of my frames, so I'm just going to come down and press play to see how my animation looks so far. I think I'm pretty happy with how this looks. I'm not really sure what I'm going to do with it, but I guess I should probably show you guys how to save this out. So just go up to the wrench tool, go to share, and at the bottom choose either animated GIF or animated MP4. In this new window, you can adjust the speed of your animation by changing the frames per second. But I'm pretty happy with mine, so I'm just going to press export and then save image. That'll drop your image right into your image library, and there it is. Cool animation waiting for you. But yeah, I hope you guys learned something new in this video. I want to thank you for watching, and until next time, peace out.